Hello G-wiz friends, today I'm gonna show you how it's made the inside of the seat. It was full of dust made by this, you see, it's really gone. Anyway, I show you the various parts. This is the seat, okay, the right one, and on top of the wood, which is really wrong, it's so hard. I think it should be made with the springs like a real car, maybe a good mod to do. And this is the bottom of the foam, and it's placed like this. See, it has the, maybe landscape is better. See, it's shaped perfectly to fit just like that. The wood is still okay, but for me it's better to change it with springs. And this piece of metal is really heavy. Anyways, this is the seat, and this is the part of for the back. And you see there are pieces of iron because there are these kind of metal bar that are connected to the cover, and then you put inside there so the cover fits attached to the seat. And this is the back. You can see there metal inside. This part, it's gone. I mean, it's like sitting on the wood. This is still okay, not on the side of course, but the top is fine. And metal bars, very easy, very few screws. And sometimes the teeth, well, I don't know. Anyway, these get damaged over time, and I found a spare part, very cheap, not original, but fits perfectly. I'll put a link in the description. And when you remove the cover, you will find this. I didn't know how to remove this, and this how they are made. You just pull them out. Very simple. And yeah, this is pretty much. You have, this is the cover for the inclination of the seat. So yeah, it might be very easy to redo the seat. Probably I will buy some foam and I will give the same shape as this one, maybe a better one, better shape. I won't put the original cover, I'll put the custom one. And I'll give a better shape, especially for this part. It's too thin. In the end, it's like this. So if you weight more than 50 kilograms, but even if you weight 50 kilograms, I had passengers who were 55, and after a while they felt it was too hard because it's just like this. So this part should be a little bit thicker here. Here's okay, but here for your buttocks, too hard, way too hard. and many custom seats you will find online won't fit. You will eventually have to modify here and there, but the cheapest way for me is to buy new foam and reshape it by a new cover, eco leather, something cheap, and you will have a new seat. So I'll give you updates. And you know what, real-time thinking, this part it's really good. Maybe we just shave the first centimeter, and then we with some glue we stitch another piece of foam here and on the side, which is really nasty, and that's it. You will have a very soft seat, more comfy than the original one. And yeah, and these bars, basically when you put the cover back on the bottom, it has this 2 bar, and it had this piece of metal, but you can actually put a zipper to close the cover, or I mean, it's not necessary, all this metal. This one I wrongly removed from here. It was deep inside there, but if you glue the cover somehow here, or you sew it from here to the bottom, it will fit fine. Fortunately here I left the metal bar, the metal wire. Maybe you can't see. You see the ring that connects the cover to the foam, to the seat. That's the only thing you have to be careful when you remove the cover. Here there is nothing. Same here. Here there's a hole, but pointless. And that's all, guys. I keep you updated, but it's not too hard. It's not a complicated work to do.